Hi guys, so now we're heading to Heavenly Queen Temple. It's close to the city which has no entry ticket fee needed. It's our first time to visit though with my partner and it's so exciting. Let's go, come and join us. And here we are. So we're so lucky today because the weather is so nice and we got so many good photos with my partner. So it's such a peaceful, wonderful place. I feel like I'm in a China. So it's good energy here and we have to respect the Chinese gods, of course. It's still under construction guys and we can visit here again and hopefully it's already done. And also the huge queen statue behind of this temple, and it's 16-meter tall in the middle of the lake that is overgrown with the algae. And despite obvious needs to upgrades, this temple is a true gem in this wonderful bend of Maribyrnong River and will worth a visit. So please bring cash if you want to donate or buy an offering. So yeah. And as you can see, I'm asking my partner to take me a video as well. And yes, that's me. So yeah, you're probably wondering how I ended up like this, yeah? Just joking.